haidna the seeing na khangjarage hairagal lakjagadoba chhatra oirani. Such a student was Arjuna. Madudaiduda kano tauriba chhatra do mapung phaba chhatra perfect oiba chhatra do kanano Arjunni. Lord Krishna descends specifically to re-establish the real purpose of life when man forgets that purpose. Bhagavan amuk Bhagavad Gita amuk takpi na bigla isi karigino haiba kando daiduda masigi answer se piba ngamdaba. Piba ngamdaba hanga akadu piba ngamdrabanina bas ma Bhagavan masamak na hangiba mi do daiduda pina balakpaneba masigi kano se Bhagavan ki purpose se. Even then, out of many human beings who awaken, there may be one who actually enters the spirit of understanding his position. Aduna mi oiba mayam ama karigino akoina wari se haidana gyan taraga kaigino ina hangakpado adugumba hangiba mi mayamdo adu manungdu daiduda amakaktaneba tasengna masagi position khangjaba haibadi Bhagwan ga maga kari mari lenage na khangbasidi mayamdu marta amakaktaneba. And for him, this Bhagavad Gita is spoken. Mayam maraktuda leiriba, mayam karinga maraktuda leiriba, mikap thogla aba spiritual understanding khara leiriba, khara leira aba mayam do adui maraktuda iduda tasengna magi swarup si karino, mana tawgado si karino mathau khangba mi do madugi neba Bhagavad Gita se thambirami se. Actually, we are all swallowed by the tigress of nescience, but the Lord is very merciful upon living entities, especially human beings. Akoise mayana loina bakchara laikhrabane, umma laikhrabane. Adubu Bhagavan adukki matik kripa laiba, adukki matik nuksibi ba akoise. Aduna mahana chingthokpirakadori bane ba masigise. Maruena. To this end, he spoke the Bhagavad Gita, making his friend Arjuna his student. Masi mayadagi chingthoknabagi pambai neba Gita se. Asina kanada haramiba Arjuna haramiba Gita. Being an associate of Lord Krishna, Arjuna was above all ignorance. Taseng bagidi Bhagavan ga tinaraba haiba Bhagavan ga loinaraba bhakta duti taseng bigta magun yaoroida baneba. But Arjuna was put into ignorance on the battlefield of Krishna. But Arjuna was put into ignorance on the battlefield of Kurukshetra just to question Lord Krishna about the problems of life, so that the Lord could explain them for the benefit of future generations of human beings and chalk out the plan of life. Akoigi damakta neba singraba Arjun mahaki nuksiraba marup mahaki bhakta su oiba kaidongaida mohada leiroidabani kaidongaida ma tamagunda leiroidabani adubu leiroidaba Arjun do namdana leihalleba masigise tamagunda leihallineba ignorance leihallineba lehelisi kari tawbaki namuktano adu taragadi magi mapunsida tholokpa awaba mayamdo madu uthalineba utla taragadi nang masi kamaina thengnagadagi haibado madu akoi tambinabagi damakta magi nungsiraba maru Arjun se masigi position na thambikrineba. Then men could act accordingly and perfect the mission of human life. Maduna Arjuna haiba, Arjuna pangiba awaba, Arjuna tangai padana, tawham khangdadana, kano tora kando tejuda magi awaba si kamaina koka the gay had an akwiti matamdo, azusu muba the tolokmatamdo, Arjuna logi decision se khangna bagitamakta, Bhagavad Gita as it is, Bhagwana, Arjuna haibani. The subject of Bhagavad Gita entails the comprehension of 5 basic truths. Saduna akoina Bhagavad Gita pabase masidesida akoi kano khangani masidesida akoina kano tawgatoba achumba manga taklakani. Achumba manga basic achumba manga Gita san taklakani. Number 1, first of all, the science of God is explained. Bhagwan gi batang da explain tarakane sige. Atopa shastra thiruranu. Only Bhagavad Gita da Bhagavan kanano talakaneba masis number 1 first. And then the constitutional position of the living entity is Jiva. Mathangda Jiva kanano talakane. Ahambada Bhagavan kanano talakani. Number 2 da Jiva kanano talakani. Aduna mangani ko Bhagavad Gita gi mangani. Is the kanotorkadori. Yeah. Okay. Subject mangane, subject manga, achumba mangane Bhagavad Gita da harakadoi. Number 1 da Bhagavan kanano. Regidi constitutional position of the living entities jiva. There is Ishvara, which means the controller, and there are jivas, the living entities which are control hand. Aduna ahanbagi sinna Ishwarni, number 2 sinna jivani. Ishwar siti controller haibani. Kana control tawdorino jiva control torakadoribani. Aduna ahanbagi asengba sinna Ishwara, number 2 gi asengba sinna jiva. If a living entity says that he is not controlled but that he is free, then he is insane. Adudi mana aidi Bhagwan na control to bana Bhagwan gi makhada leite aidi ai tawning ba tawba yai and hai tar gadi ma se ngawbane angawba mina du ngangani hen hai. The living being is controlled in every respect, at least in his conditional life. Aduna tawba khudingmakta tawriba khudingmakse miyobana tawriba khudingmakse masi control tawe either Bhagwan na control to bibama natraga Maya na control to ba always under control. So in the Bhagavad Gita, the subject matter deals with the Ishvara, the supreme controller, and the Jiva, the control living entities. And Aniji Sure Ahanbada controller haibadi Ishvara. Number 2 the supreme controller Ishvara. Adegi number 2 Ishwarna control toriba adugumba Jiva Singh. Control living entities haibadi Jiva. Number 2. Number 3 the Prakriti. Prakriti haibadi karino material nature and time. Material nature Prakriti. Prakriti ne. Prakriti, material nature, adagi, and time. The duration of existence of the whole universe, or the manifestation of material energy and karma, mangasubada karma. These are all discussed. Ahanba the Ishwar gi matang the hairani. Number 2 the Jiva gi matang the hairani. Number 3 the Prakriti gi matang the hairani. Number 4 the matam gi matang the hairani. Kal gi matang the hairani. Number 5 the akoin hairkadori basically no. Number 5 the akwigi karma. The cosmic manifestation is full of different activities. Cosmic manifestation haibasidi masidi Bhagwan gi shakti ni na tungan bamong tungan mathabak urakane ba khoi. All living entities are engaged in different activities. Akoi khuding magse tungan mathabak si tawdoi kakching gi thabak tawni uchik gi thabak tawni mi gi thabak tawni adegi di lin kang na mai thabak taw tungan ba activity ne ba torakadori base. From Bhagavad Gita we must learn what God is. And Bhagavad Gita day akoina khangado si kanano bi Ishwara bi kanano adegi what the living entities are, Jiva sina kanano, what Prakriti is, Prakriti Maya sina kanano, and what the cosmic manifestation is. Cosmic manifestation haibadi Prakritis degi thogla iba adugumba jagat sangsar se si karino, and how it is controlled by time matam kal sina kamaina mayam se loina bak mai makhada thamai last, and what the activities of the living entities are. Aduga Jiva Singh si karma se sina karino haibne Bhagavad Gita na masigi manga sina takpirakadori se. Out of these 5 basic subject matters in Bhagavad Gita, it is established that the Supreme Personality, Supreme Godhead or Krishna or Brahman or the Supreme Controller or Paramatma, you may use whatever name you like, is the greatest of all. Manga si manung si is a kwaidai chawa si kanano controller do ne. Controller si akoina Paramatma haibayai, Bhagavan haibayai, adi Brahman haibayai, aduna akoina kauning ba kauba yai masigise adubu makna mangasi manungsi khwaidagi kano sin khwaidagi akanbani. The living beings are in quality like the supreme controller. Tasengbagi di jiva sing sisu Bhagwan ka manaba gun loinabak leigatoribane. Adubu quality di manaba, quantity di manaba nataba. For instance, the Lord has control over the universal affairs of material nature, as will be explained in the latest chapters of Bhagavad Gita. Material nature is not independent. She is acting under the directions of the Supreme Lord. Aduna, sidesi the high yes, Bhagwan na akwegi Prakriti gi tawriba thabak mayam se Bhagwan na masi control tawgadorine masi chapter Bhagavad Gita gi chapter the 3 modes of nature. Sita yarakani material nature is not independent. Kaidongai the Bhagwan yaudana thabak tawde maya se always Bhagwan gi mating ni Bhagwan gi kano lori mating lori bane ba maya se. She is acting under the directions of the Supreme Lord. Bhagwan na taw haibado maya se na tawri bane. As Lord Krishna says, Maya atyakshena prakritihi suyeta cha charachar acharam. This material nature is working under my direction. See the Bhagavad Gita the haibiri masigi material nature se prakriti se aina taw haibado prakriti tawri bane. And the prakriti na tawri ba thabak khudingmak se aigi makhada tawri bane hai. When we see wonderful things happening in the cosmic nature, we should know that behind this cosmic manifestation, there is a controller. Aduna, Prakriti da koida phajaba uriba, uwa phajaba uriba, uche waya phajaba uriba, adegi akhoi kano se kari hadare nungai ba kano ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯐꯖ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯁꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯅꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯇꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯗꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯨꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯚꯒꯋꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯚꯒꯋꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ nothing could be manifested without being controlled ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯕ it is childish not to consider the controller aduna masigise aina tawrinine maasi control tawbiningai kaimta leite haidana khanba oitaragadi madugido angang machana khangadobane aina tawrini kaine haibado adu angang chan khanga. For example, a child may think that an automobile is quite wonderful to be able to run without the horse or other animal pulling it, but the sane man knows the nature of the automobile's engineering arrangement. Aduna akoina car ama sanapot car ama leiba matamda angang na punga yam harauraga punga da harauraga da car thore car ka khalle admaina pungtong do toraga ba punung nungai jebado adu natte ba asengba kano do the intelligent oba mi amna di khange o masi gi car se chalhan gi hai tare kadi masi engine pan ga do bani magi tasengma magi kano hap ga do bani kari ha tare petrol hap ga do bani asina chingbo loin khang ga do ne engineering skills kari kra. He always knows that behind the machinery there is a man, a driver. Aduna masigi se phaniamna karo tawre hai taragasu kari hai thabak phaniam tawre hai bangam machine do madu sarakna bhotna bada madugi the creator amadi leigadori bane driver. Similarly, the Supreme Lord is a driver under whose direction everything is working. Aduna akoigi jagat sangsar sibu supreme controller oibado magi makhagi magi director ki matung ina chatkadori bane khuding makse. Now the jivas is in the Bhagwan ki matang da lekhre, second gi the jiva ki matang da lae. Now the jivas of the living entities have been accepted by the Lord, as will note in the later chapters, as his parts and parcels. And the jivas sing sina kanano Bhagwan gi machet ne ba khoi mayam se loi na ba. A particle of gold is also gold. A drop of water from the ocean is also salty. And similarly, with the living entities being part and parcel of the Supreme Controller, Ishvara or Bhagavan, Lord Sri Krishna, have all the qualities of the Supreme Lord in minute quantity because we are minute Ishwaras, subordinate Ishwaras. Aduna, akhoi tagi Bhagavan dagi machet oina tholiba akhoi se masi Bhagavan da yauriba gunnenge akhoi se loina yawam thoi yawsu yawi aduga tasengbagi di yamna pikna yawba aduna akhoi se mini ishwara natraga minute ishwara oibe yai akhoi su ishwar ni ne aduba akhoi ne yamna pikpa Bhagavan gi supreme ishwara do nataba. We are trying to control nature, as presently we are trying to control space or planets, and this tendency to control is there because it is in Krishna. As in akhoi amabu heda control tong no hot ne mi su control tong ning ni adagi sama su control tong ning ni adagi planet pho control tong ning ni space koi control tong ning ni si kari gi no koi da control tong ning bagi akoi da gun yar si kai no bhagwan da yaw bagi ne bhagwan da yaw ba gun do aduna ne reflected pa adu perverted oi reflection is perverted oi ba. But although we have a tendency to lord it over material nature, we should know that we are not the supreme controller. This is explained in Bhagavad Gita. Aduna control tawning bagi apamba lay taragasu akoy Krishna dawna control tawbadi ngamoy hetana Bhagavad Gita sin takpiriye. What is material nature? Mathangda ahum subada prakriti lae. Ahanbada Ishwar lakre. Number 2 da akoy mini Ishwara ni akoy jiva ni jiva gi matangda lakre. Third subada kay lae prakriti lae. This is also explained in the Gita as inferior prakriti, inferior nature, Bhagwani Shakti, ahum, superior energy, marginal energy, inferior energy lay. Aduna, superior energy sin karino, magi lila sanazariba, magi bhakta ganungshi sanazariba lila do, kari Shakti na sanagani, superior energy na. Aduga, inferior energy sin karino, prakriti bu sembiriba, jagat sangsar si sembiriba, adugi Shakti tu buni kwen inferior energy has a prakriti ni sina. The living entity is explained as a superior prakriti. Aduna, living entity, akoy new baji basing se, akoy superior energy to ching, akoy inferior energy natte akoy de. Prakriti is always under control, whether inferior or superior. Prakriti is female and she is controlled by the Lord, just as the activities of a wife are controlled by the husband. Aduna Prakriti sidi nupi ne nupi ki roop ne Prakriti sidi. Aduna nupi hai always controlled by the husband. Aduna agi nupi Bhagwan adum control torakadori ne Prakriti sidi. Masama don the lipangamodori ne Prakriti sidi. Prakriti is always subordinate, predominated by the Lord, who is the predominator. Masisungka kaubiranu Prakriti habisidi makhathana lejabani Bhagwan gi makhathana lejabani Bhagwan degi hen busunga yaroi Bhagwan dominate tobi yaroi madi Bhagwan makhada lejabani predominated ni controlled by the Supreme Lord Bhagwan agi Bhagwan ni makhada lejabani. According to the Gita, the living entities, although parts and parcels of the Supreme Lord, are to be considered Prakriti. According to the Gita, the living entities, although parts and parcels of the Supreme Lord, are to be considered Prakriti. And the Prakriti, this is clearly mentioned in 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. And Masigi Prakriti, Akoisu Prakriti, is marginal, marginal or so inferior Prakriti, superior Prakriti, inferior Prakriti is in the Kanano, material energy, superior Prakriti is in the Kanano, Jivane, Jivane, Jiva Habit Akoine. Aduna, Akoise always Purushadi only kanoneba. Purushadi Bhagwan matom. The rest are all females. And the Prakriti is a female oibanina. Living entities is a female neba. Masigise. Aparyam itastu anyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhutam. This material nature is my inferior prakriti, but beyond this is another prakriti, jiva bhutam, the living entities. Aduna masig material nature si the inferior prakriti ni atubu inferior prakriti si ki wangmada energy amaga leiri masig inferior energy nattaba masina kanano masigi prakriti sina kari kawi jiva bhutam haibati kano sin jiva sing sini. Material nature itself is constituted by three qualities: the mode of goodness, the mode of passion, and the mode of ignorance. So, Prakriti is energy hum thokna lere sataraja tamaga lere mode of goodness, mode of ignorance, and mode of passion lere. Above these modes, there is eternal time, and by combination of these modes of nature and under the control and purview of eternal time, there are activities which are called karma. Adana material nature condition oribase sigi mathakta time se lere and time dugi matung inna loina manifest thorakadoribaneba. Aduna masigi time se time gi matung inna akhoi su karo torakaneba matam gi matung inna akhoi thabak mayam tawhineba tawriba thabak to karino karma kore. These activities are being carried out from time immemorial and we are suffering or enjoying the fruits of our activities. Matam gi matung inna tawhiba thabak to akhoi na karam kan akhoi na kawba gai kawgraba time immemorial adui tawrapa thabak to ngasi bau chathari baneba akhoi karma se leiri baneba. For instance, suppose I'm a businessman and have worked very hard with intelligence and have amassed a great bank balance. And then I'm an enjoyer. The same way as a businessman, at a woman or maba, Pishatangi Talaba, Adagidi, Aina, Madugi Kanomiam do, Aina Yamna Kari Hadar, Maduri to Tali Pashadunai, Yamtina, Nungaina ba Haidana, Madugi Pashadunai, Nuaina, Material Nuaina, but my Amasin Gitaragati, I used to enjoy her tare, the same way enjoyer the oide. But then, say I have lost all my money in business, then I am a sufferer. Aduna enjoyer, sufferer is amarongi higher taragadi, mana pesa pagiba mayam loy mangra kandu de masamu, sufferer oire ma ware. Aduna enjoyer oigera, sufferer oigera has a permanent natte, but similarly in every field of life, we enjoy the results of our work or we suffer the result. And a tauriba kuding maxidation da koina, tauriba tabakto, madugi poldo, nungaiba pol pangbayai, natra awaba pol pangbayai. This is called karma. Adonai maswai bhaktang tawjage gitagi manga kano toriba haibadi 5 absolute truth masideshida subject matter manga ni masideshida habigrise amukana haijage hanmada ishwara haibadi supreme controller. Number 2 da koin lerivse jiva adegi number 3 da prakriti lerani. Number 4 da time lerani. Number 5 da karma lerani. May I have questions, comments, Lebibra?
Hare Krishna Mata, Prakriti hai sina ngasai hai bi bang tang biuba.
The Prakriti is a material nature sin masi inferior energy of the Lord hai masi kise Bhagwan gi kanone masi kise koina kari hadare bahiranga shakti hari sin bahiranga shakti is external energy ni masi Prakriti ni Prakriti has to be enjoyed hai bane masi पुरुष नते मासी प्रकृति से फेमिनिन नि अन मासी प्रकृति से सुपीरियर प्रकृति है बमगा इन्फीरियर प्रकृति है बम लेरे सुपीरियर प्रकृति सिना भगवान दगी थोप शक्ति जीव सिंह क्रिएट तौरिब से सिने अखोइना अखोइ से मार्जिनल एनर्जी से सिबुनि तटस्थ शक्ति अखोइ सिबुनि अखोइना भगवान की कनो क्वालिटी सिंगे लोइना बग यावबा अदु क्वांटिटी ददी मानब नतब अदुना अखोइना सुपीरियर एनर्जी ओय अखोइ से सुपीरियर एनर्जी ओय अदुगा इन्फीरियर एनर्जी सिना प्रकृति नि प्रकृति सिगी प्रकृति सिना अमुक होजिगी जगत संसार से सेमकदोरिने मागी कनो अदु प्रकृति सिदसु अमुक एनर्जी अहुम थोकना मुक लेरे सतगुण लेरे तमगुण लेरे अदगी रजगुण लेरे माताजी स्माइ खमजगे
हरे कृष्ण याम नुंगाइजे माताजी याम पेंजे
हरे कृष्णा माताजी खुरमजरी हरे कृष्णा
खुरमजरी माताजी
खुरमजरी मथंगदी अखोई जगन्नाथ अष्टकम की सेवा हौबिरकनब खुरमजरी हरे कृष्णा